has now arrived. We know there have been evacuations of homes and a daycare in that area. And I also can tell you that CB24's Sue Scambatti has just landed at the scene. And Sue, you're able to fill us in a little bit more with what's going on now. A lot of interest in this, a lot of action on Twitter. People are concerned. What's the latest from your perspective?
Well, we'll give you a live look at the scene from the ground here, Stephanie, and we can confirm, yes, Enbridge has arrived on scene. There's an Enbridge truck and some workers just coming out. The call came at about 1:50 this afternoon. Work crews in the area struck a gas line, we believe in a backyard on Westminster, which is just slightly north of here. We are at High Park Boulevard in Roncesvalles, and you're looking down the street. We're told that a 1 square block area is the focus point of this, and you can see there's a TTC bus at the end of the street down past the police vehicles. Those buses have been brought in to take the people from the homes that have been evacuated. 10 homes on either side of the home on Westminster have been evacuated, along with a daycare. I was trying to find out how many children affected, but don't have that information just yet. No reports of any injury. And as I say, that bus is on site here to help people out who've been displaced from their homes while Enbridge gets a cap on this leak. We have no information yet when that will happen, but we'll continue to work the scene here. Some people not very happy that they can't get into their homes, but safety is the issue while this leak prevails. Stephanie.
Okay, CB24 Sue Scambatti in the West End. Thanks very much for that update. We appreciate it. And we're going to continue to watch this, Anika. As Sue said, for safety reasons, that area is cordoned off right now. Toronto Police always do that when there's a gas leak. I know people are concerned. As I said, there's a lot of chatter on Twitter about this, and people are worried. But, once Enbridge gets there, they figure out pretty quickly how to cap this kind of gas leak. But as for caution, the area is cordoned off, and there is this evacuation of those 20 or so homes and this daycare. So we're watching it really closely, Anika. We'll be back shortly with the very latest. Over to you.
All right, and we can hope that it will be capped quickly. Stephanie, thank you very much for that.